Samsung are releasing the new S26 Ultra, and I got hands-on with the entire S26 series before the launch. But as a thank you to all of you that have supported me over the years, I have managed to get you an exclusive discount code for 5% off if you buy any of the new S26 series smartphones, Galaxy Buds 4 and 4 Pro, and of course the new sleek Galaxy Book 6. Just type in AFF in capitals, underscore, tech, that's with a capital T, Zilla with a capital Z. Techzilla is one word, so AFF underscore Techzilla at checkout on Samsung's online store and save 5%. And don't forget, you can stack discount codes. You can find the link and the discount code in the description below. Now, as usual, I will be showing you the different colors of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra smartphones, so you know which one to pre-order. Coming straight up after my intro. Welcome everyone, I'm Techzilla, and I was lucky enough to check out the 4 different color options for the S26 Ultra. So in today's video, I will be comparing and showing you the difference between them, helping you decide which one to pre-order. But before I get into it, hit that subscribe button and bell notification icon, as I will be producing many videos about Samsung's latest products, so you don't want to miss those. There are 4 variants available: black, cobalt violet, the hero color of the year, sky blue, and white. All 4 options have the matte finish back. The metal frames on the S26 Ultra handsets are much thinner than last year's S25 Ultra, with rounded corners, and all have a matte brushed finish to them, which is much nicer than the glossy frames from previous years. I have to admit that they feel great when holding them, and the S25 Ultra feels a little heavier in hand than the S26 Ultra. I should also mention that the S26 Ultra is slightly shorter than the S25 Ultra, with more rounded corners. Now, let's start off looking at the new sky blue. This color is a very light and muted color. It has a real classy look to it. The back panel is matte, with the Samsung branding only visible at certain angles. The frame has a matte, very light blue finish. The combination with the blue back really gives it a special look. The frame buttons match perfectly, and the antenna bands blend in well and complement the blue, making it look overall very summery. I would say this option is for anyone who doesn't want a boring black device but instead prefers a fresher look. Personally, a little too light in shade for my own preference. The next color is white. Again, a matte finish back means fingerprints are hidden well, just like the other options. The metal frame is finished in a matte brushed look, which is silver in color, meaning is less reflective than the silver rails on the older S23 Ultra series. The antenna bands blend in well with the metal frame, probably the closest color match of the 4 colorways. It is a more fashionable color option to my eyes. I personally think the colorway is intended more for the consumers who are tired of those pastel colors and plain black. Personally, this is my favorite color of them all. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. The third color option for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, the cobalt violet, this year's hero color. Again, like the other colorways, the back has a matte finish. I would say this looks fantastic though. It has enough of a color shift that it goes from a violet to a grey depending on the lighting. The metal frame is finished in a color which looks like it's a very subtle violet. It has a slight warm glow which has a hint of grey within it. It does look really like a very premium finish, but beware, the antenna bands are a touch darker than the frame and they have a very flat finish to them, looking almost grey. Again, the metal frame is not a fingerprint magnet, so no need to worry. It really does add that finishing touch to the overall color of the phone by giving a rich framing tone. Definitely a different option compared to previous Galaxy S devices, and worthy of your consideration if you're bored of black devices but don't want a bright, flashy color. Then this is the choice for you. Now let's tackle the most subtle and underrated option, the black. In my honest opinion, I really like this option because in person it looks much better than on camera. The finishes are very similar to the black S25 Ultra, but slightly lighter in color. The black back has a subtle finish which shifts from almost black to a smoky grey, which never looks like a deep jet black. The back, as expected, doesn't really show fingerprints unless you have very greasy or sweaty hands. Then when you shift the device, the smudges will appear at various angles. The metal frame has a dark matte grey finish and is almost finished in a way which looks very classy and sleek. And the antenna bands are in a light grey colour, almost identical to the metal frame. The black is the choice for anyone looking for understated, classy and subtle. Now let's talk about the two online only exclusive colours, pink gold and silver shadow. Unfortunately, they were not available for me to see in person, but I'm pretty sure the silver shadow will look like the silver S25 Ultra in the flesh. So there you have it, the current options available for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultras. If you're looking to pick up any of these color variants, then use my link in the description below to help me out, and don't forget to use the discount code AFF_TechZilla for 5% off any of the new S26 series devices, Buds4 and 4 Pro and Galaxy Book 6. So which is your favorite color and why? Let me know in the comments below. Personally, my favorites are the Cobalt Violet and the White. Samsung this year have gone for more subtle colors than previous Ultra releases. Personally, I would like to see bolder, brighter colors next time. Let me know in the comments below if there are any color you would like Samsung to include in future devices. I will be making loads more videos about the S26 series, including accessories, screen protectors, cases and comparisons. So smash that subscribe button and bell notification icon. Give me a thumbs up and share this video on your social media, including Samsung groups and forums. Until next time, I'm TechZilla saying take care and peace.